happened today? Bob was not there. So you guys able to see right my screen?
Yes.
So I think controller in the design we know the every step, like these all steps we know. What is the start user? What is the duration? What is the ramp up, ramp down duration? What is the schedule by scenario, schedule by group, real world business schedule? So we explain all things, right? You got it. So now, like when you are doing for the execution, right? So we should be design this like this, and each every scenario runtime settings will be different. Okay, if it is already existing project, you are new that, so you don't know for the runtime settings. So they will prepare one document. Okay, this API testing. Okay, runtime settings. Okay, you need to give the think time this, pacing this. Okay, and everything they will provide it. Based on that, just you can edit from the here. Okay, in runtime settings, you need to do that. Okay, and so just you can check this open, and each script wise you can select that, and you need to apply the as per your requirement. So pacing also, if they will provide it, you can got it. I got it. I think disk space is not sufficient. I'm getting. Okay, 1 minute. Give me time.
Okay.
One thing. Okay. Documents in the June. I think this already everything is there in YouTube, so we can remove. Yeah, I think now it's good. So let's open controller. See, so we need to give from the runtime setting as per already is the existing script. They will give from the all things. So based on that, you need to just set up from the here. Like think time also, you need to give for the ignore think time or replace think time. So everything will be they will give from the each every option wise also. Okay, you need to do for the this is the script name API script. You need to do from the these things. So you can come to that using that document. You can check for this all things from the each script wise. Okay, maybe if not provided anything yourself means, so this will be perfectly you need to observe like in run logic that would be same, and pacing. So as per already yesterday we seen right calculation, pacing calculation based on for the number of users, based on for the transaction per second. So we need to calculate from the pacing. So think time also based on for the replace think time, nothing but what is the script already there that you want to miss, you can give for this. So in the script also you are not considering as a think time, you can give from the ignore. Otherwise you want to multiply from the what is the think time is there, you want to multiply means you can multiply with the 2 or you can. So this will be we can decide. Okay, and after that miscellaneous, this will be we can define from the like already I explained. We have multi-threading, two types: run user process, thread, and process. Thread nothing but all web-based application we can use that. So maybe you are doing for the any desktop-based applications like SAP Geo application or any kind of desktop-based applications, or so you can use from the run user as a process. Okay, and here you can select this. So this will be mandatory, you can do that, and after that you can design that, and after that you can click on OK, and next script you can go, and again next script also you can apply. So like this you need to apply from the every script from the this runtime settings is important. It's clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now what is next step means? So once this design part is completed, design part is nothing but what are the scenarios you need test, we are added, and we are added from the ramp up, ramp down duration from the each script, and we are completed from the runtime settings, and as same to the based on that everything is design is completed. So you need to check the like load generator connectivity. It is connected or not, you can check. So it is connected will be there. So every time when you are not doing testing right, you can disconnect. Okay. now it's a down status. When you are need to do the testing, you can just click on connect and you can connect from here. And means you can add one more load generator also. You want means you can add here also. Okay. And that is the platform, which platform you can add. Like we can add the load generators. See, you can observe, you can give from the load generator. Load generator, nothing but it's one of the machine. So based on for the number of virtual users, we need from the some CPU utilization, memory utilization. So that all things will be provided in the that machine. That is called as a load generator. Like it will be generate the load against to the application. So you can add the load generator. If you want disconnect, you can disconnect. And if you want detail close means you can close also, we can do. Okay. Now I connected to, because status is ready means, okay, those are connected. So after that, close this. So load generator connectivity also you can give from the individual also you can give, and everything also you can give. Okay. And after that, this will completed, your script, everything is completed. And we need to apply one more thing, is a service level agreement. Service level agreement means, anyone will know? Like our SLA, client
Yes.
giving from the, like each transaction, what is the SLA they are provided. So you want to just apply means you can click on this new and click on next. And after that, here transaction response time, you want to consider as a percentage mode or average, you can select. By default, every time we can select average. Okay. And after that, click on next. And here it is asking from the, what are the transactions you want to consider from the, you need to apply from this. So you need to add from the this all things. Okay. Apart from the action part, you need to add this. Just you can select this and add. You can do this way. Only transactions we need to add. How many transactions you have? Each transaction also we have different SLA or same SLA. You can, like that you can define. You can directly select also, you can select all also. So if you got this action right, that will be no need. You can remove here. And apart from this, anything added, single user transaction. So okay. And for that, this is also transaction. You can. Okay. Now this will be no need, because that will be everything. Entire transaction response time will be there. But we need from the, each will be different way. So you need to give from like this. And after that, click on next. And here you need to give from the like values. Okay. Load criteria, like it is a running user based or transaction per second base or it per second, we need to give. So we are giving from the running user transaction response time by running users only, right? You need to give from the running users. And here you need to give from the like SLA, 2 seconds or more than 2 or equal to means you can give from the like this, less than 2 or greater than 2 is our SLA. You need to like that. And after that, now here you can observe, here you want to apply from the, each is a different also, we can apply from the here. You can give from the here, we can give. Like each will be, this is the 2, you can give 2. And you can give from the 2 also. Okay. Otherwise, if you give here 2, and here also you can give from the 2, and click on apply to all transactions. See, you can observe all transactions also it is applied or SL. And after that, click on next. Click on finish. Now your transaction response time average is your defined as SLA. So design means we need to design like this. So everything you need to add from the scripts. You need to select from the based on from the schedule by scenario or schedule by group, and we need to give from the each script is a different number of users, like different ramp up, ramp down, duration you want. So once design everything is completed, now we can go with the execution, like in the runtime. So in the runtime, you can observe what are the scenarios you are added. All scenarios it is displayed here, and total users will be 40 users you are executing. So this will be 10 users, this 20, and all will be down status. Down status nothing but still they are in not launch page also it is not opening. Okay, just we are given these details. So once you can click on start scenario, this down is going to the ready state. After that, run state. Run state nothing but after that they are doing for the each user. For example, first API testing, 10 users, they are doing for their transaction. Like they will, for example, they are doing from the addition. One by one, the one user will be how much duration you are given, that much duration it will execute from the number of times. Okay. For here, once just click on start here, you can running users will be, how many users will be run. It will show for the running users. Elapsed time nothing but if you click here start, it is count from the 1 second onwards. Okay, your test is the elapsed time nothing but it is including from the ramp up and duration and ramp down. That is the elapsed time. It's nothing but in application hits, how many it's happening from the, if it is successful or it is failure, whatever may be, how many risks it's happening, we need to calculate. And pass transaction, like how many pass transaction happen, how many failed transaction happen. If you are getting any errors, we can see from the here. Once you can start scenario. So now this is the thing. You can click on start scenario, your execution will be start. For here, one thing is very important thing. You are executing 40 users. So 40 user point of view, CPU memory is sufficient or not also very important. Right now we are using for our local system. Local system is nothing but in my system only I am using. So first of all, you need to check from the CPU utilization before execution, how much utilization will be there. You can go to the performance. You can observe it is like 48. Okay, means as of now 48 or 42 it is occupied from the before execution, and memory can observe 60%, 66%. Okay, for example, if you are doing from the real-time testing, so we have the load generators will be there, right? And like we have servers will be there, app server, DB server will be there. So that servers also it will be CPU memory we should be monitor. Like CPU utilization, how much will be there. Okay, after execution, your CPU utilization sufficient or this 40 user point of view or not, we need to check. So that point of view, we have the some monitoring tools will be there. CPU memory point of view, we have the some monitoring tools will be there. One is for the performance, one is for the side scope and app dynamics, dynatrace. This all will be monitoring tools. So using these monitoring tools, what we can do is, like for example, we'll go to the here. Okay. Okay. Just assume you have the server, app server 01 and app server 02 and some web server 01 and web server 02 and one DB server, some 01 will. So these are the servers. So these are servers. If you are executing the application, like what will happen means, so this application, how much utilization happening? Some CPU utilization happen, some memory utilization is happen. Okay. Actually, when you are before executing, you are observe that it is will be like 2% will be there. Okay. So this is also same like that, just 2%. Actually, it's a 0 also will be there sometimes. Okay, at least it is a 2% is already it is occupied, and it is a 2% from this, like CPU and memory both, each server will have the 2%. So like it will be there. So when you are executing with the 40 users, so during the test, you are observed that it is went from the some 40% or 50%. During the test, you should observe. Like each server is also, you need to check from the, okay, this app server, how much utilization happened during the test. And this is the during the test, it is crossing from the more than 80% or not. Because see, we have the only 100%. In the 100%, 80% are already used. So only 20%, but users will be more. So it is sufficient from the 20%. It is sufficient? No, right? Why? Because you have 100%, 80% already utilization happen. It is a
Okay.
memory or CPU, whatever may be. So only it is 20% will be there, but you have users will be more, but they are performing for the application. At that time, what will happen? It is not sufficient CPU memory. What will happen? Your application will be slow. Like your transaction response time could be high. It is happen. Why? Because it is not sufficient CPU memory. So that is why when you are doing the testing, we should be monitor these all things. Like CPU utilization, how that it is happening. Memory is how that happening. Now we are using from the, we don't have any servers, right? That is why just we are depending on the where means our local system. Our local system, this is the CPU utilization, this is the memory currently will be there. If you start execution, some utilization is happen. You can observe, you can check from the like process. Here, how many you are open in your system, each and every service it is taking some CPU utilization, some memory utilization. So when you are taking from the new laptop, right? We want from the like 6 GB, 10 GB. If it is not also not only laptop, mobile also. We need from the some CPU memory. Why? Because we need to, for example, you are install some application means that will be need some CPU utilization, memory utilization. And once you can open that, that is also utilization. It is happening. You can observe CPU Zoom is it is occupying from the 24%. So this is the happening from the here. Same way when you are executing doing right, users also it is as the application utilization will be, it is look like this. It is based on for the number of user load, your CPU memory it is increase. Okay, so now I will show the one performance monitor will be there. Okay. Performance monitor. If you any one system, it's no need to installation do. Just you can type performance monitor. You are able to see the this is the performance monitor. So it is a performance. We can call it as a performance. It is one of the monitoring tool. Like this is the only desktop based applications like OS based Windows based applications. We can monitor from the this performance monitor. Okay. How many open? Only one, right? Okay. So for here, this is the, you can observe here performance monitor, you can click also. You are able to see the processor time, like how much percentage it is happening by. So like during this is the, now it is going like this. Your graph will be, it is going like this, like it is a 50%, 50. It is reached from the your processor 50% processor time. So now what is our job means we need to add from the our system. Like how to add means you can data collector set or the user defined, can right button click on this new data collector set. Just user defined in that data collector set, new and data collector set. And here you need to give from the test name. For example, we are doing from the some baseline test. Baseline test. Okay. After that, here it is asking from the template or create manually. It is we can click from the manually. Here it is asking from the data logs. What data you want? Performance counters we need. Okay, we'll give that and click on next. And here you need to add from the performance counter. Counters nothing but CPU memory we need to add. So you can just click on add. So these all will be counters. Counters nothing but CPU utilization, memory utilization. CPU nothing but processor. You need to check from the here processor. Before execution, we need to do from the this all things also important. Okay. See, this is the processor information. You can just okay arrow it, and we have the in the processor we have the different sub counters will be there, like CPU utilization, you can observe CPU idle time and memory use, permanent limit, and priority, privileged time, processor time will be there. So we need from the user time or processor time. Nothing but processor time, how much time it is a processor, it is happening. So you can add that. And user time also. User time also, how much it is happening. So in the processor, like CPU utilization, we are adding from the this is also. And apart from this, we have the anything you want, you can add. But these two will be important from the processor time. You want to add idle time also, if you want miss, you can add idle time also. But processor time, user time will be important. So now CPU is completed. Now go to the memory counter. So everyone have the memory counter will be there. In my system, it is showing from the different name, but you can check with the memory only. Okay. See, in my system, memory M point of view only, nothing will be there only. So I have some different one will be there. I will select. Yeah, I can observe here memory. So here GPU adapter memory will be there. But your system, you can see the only memory. If you like, okay, we can see the here total committed. Total committed, nothing but like how much memory it is committed means already used, like is the 20% used or 30% used or 50 or 80%. So that we want need, right? So that is why you need to add from the total committed. Okay, and add this. And you want to like shared use, how much you means you can add. And you have the apart from this committed and available also, it will be there. If you want means you can add that also. Okay, so now we need to add like this. Like you want from the any DB side also, you want to monitor, we have the DB side counters also will be there, like SQL counters. Network counters also you want to monitor from the network counters also will be there. Like for example, for now we don't want that all. We need major thing will be CPU memory. That is point of view you are adding from the processor and memory. In the processor memory also we have the different counters, sub counters, total committed, available bytes, and processor time, user time, idle time. Like for example, processor time, nothing but you are executing user. So as a user, how much processor time it is happened from that user. We need that time, right? As a user time you want, you can give from this all. Okay. And after that, click on OK. After add is completed, just click on OK. And see your what you are added, all it is displayed here. And after that, click on next. And here, this is the location. Like your like CPU utilization, memory utilization, it is saving from the in this location in your system default in the perf logs. Okay, in that admin, in that baseline test is your results file. So if you want to change means also you can click on browse, and where you want to save results, you can select that folder, you can add. But by default, it is a default folder. This is the perf log in the C system drive in the perf log admin. You are given the name of this. And after that, click on next. And here you can save and close means it is save and close. Open properties data collector set means you can click on that and click on S. See, if you open this, so here we have the schedule will be there. Schedule nothing but when we can start our test, like what day to what time we can. Like for example, you are starting from the this date to this date, like today date, and start time. What time your execution you can start. For example, now 8:40 our time. So we need to start from the for example 8:42. So you need to give from the time here. Okay, sorry. It is calculated from the like 7. Okay, and sorry, so not 7, 8, right? 8:42 I'm giving. Otherwise 43 will give. Okay, 8:43 p.m. Okay. And you can give from the select from the which date you want to execute also we can select. This is the starting. So means this automatically no need to, if you are starting from the test here in controller, see if you click start here, automatically exactly what time you are given 8:43, right? You can click start here. Automatically here also like our servers also it will execute from the here. Okay. So now we can go to the so properties and we are given start time. Stop condition also will be there. You need to give from the duration, like how much duration you want to execute this test. Okay. For example, we can execute this test 5 minutes and overall duration also will give from the like 5 minutes. You can observe here seconds it is coming, right? You can give from the 5 minutes means 300 second. You can give from the 300 second. Okay, overall duration also will give from the 300 second. And after that, it is asking from the file size. You can give from the some 100 MB. And stop when all data collection have finished. Okay. So means you are scheduling the execution. So that is why we are scheduled. And after that, click on OK. Now this test is see now it is not started. When it start means 8:43 it will start. Okay. It is automatically start. Now once your setup is completed, we can go to the controller. You should be trigger from the 8:43. And 8:43 automatically your servers also it will start. Your monitoring also. So 8:43 I done, right? Okay, I am starting from here. Okay, here I started execution. You can observe also here started. So you can observe here is started. See pending status came and we can observe it is the execution also going. 10 users will be run status 15 users and will come to the here in performance monitor. Here also you can observe it is not start. We can manual also it is started. If you started, you are able to see the this results file. So if you want to see the reports also, you can click on here user defined and what is your test, just baseline test. You can expand this and this is the see collecting data from 300 seconds. 300 seconds means 5 minutes duration, CPU utilization, memory utilization, it will be connected. And for example, you want to monitor while during the test. Okay, that will be execute automatically. Okay, but you want to monitor during the test means you need to add from the here also we can add from the monitors. Like what are the we are added, right? Processor time and CPU memory, right? We can add from the here also we can add. Okay. So click on OK and we can see this all. Now we can observe we are getting lot of errors. So many transactions failed and we are getting lot of errors. We'll see that. Oh, no match found request. So what is that error? No match request found means? Anyone guess? So Store we are getting some error, right? That is the 500 internal server error. We are getting that. Okay. Okay. Only all will be 500 errors only. Okay. We will see. Okay. No worry. But process you should understand. See, all error will be belongs to that only. One is a error missing new line. That is nothing but it is a parameterization error. If you click this also, we can see this. Okay, error missing line, and this is the parameter also. We can see this. Okay, we can monitor this CPU memory also how they are going. You can observe. You can observe it is crossing from the how much percentage also we can see here, and local use also how much it is happening we can observe. See, test is the running state. So you can observe start is going. After completed 5 minutes, stop also it is done. This results will be saving from the this location. If you see this, your results is collecting. See, collecting data from the 300 seconds. Like you are giving 1 hour duration means 1 hour data also it will pick from the like this. Okay. So, and during the test, already I told you should be monitor from the running users, how the running users is happening. So you can observe up to this is the ramp up. After that, this is the steady state, nothing but duration. It is executing the your test. And transaction response time also we can observe here. Each transaction response time also we can see here. So all transactions will be within 1 second or 2 seconds only we are able to see. Like during the test, just we are monitoring. And it's also how the it's happening. Like when you are doing for the it's right, just it is going from the like up and down like this. But it is down enter here again it is going up again down. That is not good. Means it is application it's not going good because it is not to come to the full down. See, it is everything is going from the up and it pattern. And same throughput also it is the same like as a that. Okay, just these are the graph and this is the test execution is going. And now as of now, this many transactions are passed, 28,037. Okay. So based on that, we can observe how many errors we got. It is a like valid test or not also. We can know that after test is completed. Test as of now, it is completed from the 5 minutes, 24 seconds happen. All users will be downing. You can observe it is down status going. See, these two users game and but this store users will be still running. Okay. The test is still going. During the test, what we can do means we can add the users, we can kill the users also, we can kill. You can add the users, you can kill the users. You can observe store all 20 users still running status. If you want to stop any user also, we can stop also, we can do it. You can click on stop, it is stop. See this user stop. If you want this user run, we can run also, we can do. Means users, we can stop it and we can run also, we can do it. Means during the test, we can do the like add the users, we can kill the users, we can stop the users, we can run the users. See, these users also slowly down. It is going to the stop status. So here also we can observe where is this performance monitor also we can observe. See total committed. So we can see here also like how much it is committed happen also we can see the here. You can click on this, you can observe here. This is a minimum this minimum, maximum, it is the duration also. If you select this